Hey, how's it going, everybody? Today we're going to take a look at the service velocity report for you here. So to get to this one, very easily, click on reports. Defaults by having new business expanded. You can choose to minimize that just to make it easier. Go down here into services and then service velocity. It's the second to last report. Now, what this report is going to allow you to do is to see how long it's taking your team to complete service tickets. And this is for every service pipeline. So it claims, service, renewals, all of that stuff here. So it'll go to your default one here. You just click on filter, change the pipeline right here. Again, claims, onboarding, late pays, whatever you have. We're just going to go over here to the service pipeline. And then you can also filter what stage you want it to go to. So I want to see the velocity from new to completed for all my service categories, all tags, all locations, and for year to date. So those are all the filters that you can use on this. So you can see growth if you want to look at a date range and say, maybe like January to February of 24, and then compare that to, let's say, March to April, right? And you can see how your team has grown or contracted over that time and compare how long it's taking them to actually get these service tickets completed for you. Now, one thing that I also like to do on this is looking at your renewals. So you can see how long your renewals are typically taking, especially if it's going to go from, let's say requote to completed, right? How long is that requote process taking, or requote to whatever your next stage is? So propose is what we have in here. So that way you can kind of get a feel if you've got a VA or one specific team member who's in charge of doing all of those requotes, how long it's taking them to actually get those requotes done for you. So this is a very, very, very powerful tool. Helps you get some very needed insights inside of your agency, and it should be used, quite frankly, daily, if not weekly, for sure. So hope that was helpful. Have a good one.